So we are into the dashboard of Powtton. Here we can see edit and create. Now we will be creating a video. So for that we have to select create. Now if we want to change the background of this, we have to click on the setting icon and we can swap it. Click on swap. Now we have all the dashboard features towards the right. We can change the background, text, characters, properties, shapes, images, videos, sounds, and special characters. Now we want to change this background. For this, we can either download from a system or we can select the pre-made template that is available from Powtton. So I can select any one of this. Just click on that. It will get replaced. Can you see we have successfully changed the background? Likewise, if you want to change this font or give a different name, just single click on that and you have to click on the gear icon. Here you can see, like you can change the font style, like this, and you can increase or decrease the font size. You can make it bold, italic, or you can underline that. Left, middle, right alignment is possible. You can also change the color. And you can select the opacity. Under effects, you can animate your wordings. You can check for the slide, or you can go for the roll, or you can use the hand for enter. Now I select this hand and let's close this. And let's check the preview here by clicking on this play slide. Yes. Now you saw that we were able to change that background and this particular content. Now let's give a name for this. For that, double click on this. And we can rename this. Give yourself a new year. Okay, so you can enlarge it like this and just double click on that. You can change the font. So now we know how to change the background, how to change the font, and you can see here. So this particular slide is having 4 seconds. You can increase the seconds or you can decrease it like this or by adding like this. Okay. So likewise you can add a new slide and you can make any changes to any of the slide. Okay. If you feel this image or the content is not good, what you have to do is just click on the gear icon. Whatever you want to change can be changed.